Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and it's Jenny, and it's time for another store tour, and we're going to go see what other unadvertised goodies that we can find, and talk about some of the stuff we do know about while we're in the store. So come on with me, and we'll go in and see what kind of deals we can discover. On your way in, please like and share the video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you like and share the video also, and come on with us, because we always find good stuff while we're walking the store at Dollar General. And everybody, please leave a comment and an emoji. It really helps the channel, helps us help other people, and that's what this is all about. My crazy friends helping your friends, and all of us being friends. So let's head in the store. This is what I love about store tours. You always find something that you wasn't expecting, like this right here. So Salon Paws. Do you use Salon Paws? It's $5.50 normally for one Salon Paw. Well, they're on sale for $4.25. So if you use Salon Paws for back pain, saves you some money right there. And then the same goes for the BioFreeze patches. They're normally $2.05. They're on sale for $1.50. Okay, now they took this product out for a little while because we were getting $5 coupons. But it's back. It is the Ben Gay. It's $5.85. You got a $2 digital coupon. It's going to make that $3.85 for some pain relief, guys. The BioFreeze gel is also on sale for $5.50. So if you got a few aches and pains from doing all this last minute, got to get the yard put up kind of work, then we've got it for you here at Dollar General. This is the first time I've seen this product in my stores. Everyman Jack is in the stores, guys. Sandalwood and sea salt. It'd be great to get some coupons for this right here. To make up baskets. Okay, this is the ultimate basket. And of course you would want to pair it with something like the Shaverly products. So, you know, you got a birthday man in your life, or just somebody you want to give something to special, this would make a great pairing. This is, well, I'm not really sure. It's in the wrong spot. But we'll find out how much that is, guys, and we'll put it right up here. Now, if you are getting trash bags, these are on sale. The Hefty's 2 for $10, and you're already saving like $1.80 with this deal. No coupons needed, but I do believe they may be a coupon for the True Value, an older coupon, or True Living, excuse me, but these are on sale for $4.95. And yep, the Hefty ones, I think it might be the Hefty black bags that we've got coupons for. Well, we've got coupons for one of those. Okay, on this for sale, these $5.95 for sales, we've got a new dollar earn that posted. So you could pick up 3 of these for $17.85, get your $5 off. After your $3 earn, you're looking at $9.85 out of pocket for 3. Now you also have some earns on these all detergents here. The white, free, and clear, the $12 one, you've got a $3 coupon that is attaching and a $2 earn. And the $3.75 blue, you got a $1.25 coupon with a 75-cent earn. So that's $16.25. With your $5 off and your $9.25 in coupons, you're looking at $7 out of pocket. And then with your earn, you're looking at $4.25. Okay, now clarification on a deal that I shared with you a few days ago. We've got 5 off of instant savings when you spend $20 on Arm & Hammer. I gave you a deal on 2 of these $9.65 in my store, and they're $9.50 in other stores. you're going to have to add something small to that, whether it be an Arm& Hammer. um, Carpet Fresh is what it's probably going to have to be for your cheapest item, because none of your dollar items is attaching to that instant savings, okay? So that right there will give you um, your 5 off 20 savings to correct that mistake. Okay, next, well, we got so many bounce coupons. I mean, we have a lot of bounce coupons. We just don't have any like extra bonus savings, but we got some really big bounce coupons. So we got a $4 coupon just for this one right here. Those are $9.95, and for the big one, the same orange color one, that's $9.95. We have a $4 coupon. We've got $1.50s on the 105 count. We've got 75 cents on the 34 count. I mean, there's just so many different coupons, and there's a price cut on your $4 bounce. Okay, so we're going to do a scenario for you with all those bounces. Now, like I said, on the dollar aisle, I walked over here to check to make sure that everything on for the Arm& Hammer would not attach, because if it did, then everything would work out great with the Arm& Hammer deal. But none of your dollar Arm& Hammer items attach to that instant savings, not that I can see anyway. Okay, one of my favorite deals. These have a dollar earn on them. Okay, it appears that we no longer have a for sale coupon, but we've got the dollar earn. So I'm going to suggest you pick up 2 of these $5.95 per sales if you like for sale like I do. And then we're going to add a $4.50 sparkle. They're actually on sale for $3.75. And you have a $1.25 coupon for them. Now your total for 2 of these $5.95 per sales and 1 of these $3.75 snuggles, it's gonna be $15.65. Okay, and once your discounts come off, your out of pocket is going to be $9.65, give or take, something like that. And then you're going to get $2 in earns. So you'll be paying $7 and change in the final out of pocket for this deal, if you like the for sale. Okay, so less than $2.50 an item. Still a winner chicken dinner deal. And of course, you can always do it on Friday. Sorry, of course, you can always do it on Saturday. Okay, and lastly, let's don't forget our free candy, guys. We touched on this. This is going to be one of those things that that's going to be there, but it's going to make a great filler. Okay, so this is your $3 glitching coupon, and it's attaching to these 2 Wayno bars, and it makes it a $2.80 filler. And if you're in an older operating system store, where you get a little bit of overage. So there you go. There's your daily deals and your newest information. Blessings.